His name is Jason Deason, or you can call him JD. Well, nobody calls him anyway, because he lived his lives all alone, and his life is full of unfortune. Sometimes he feels worthless. But one good thing about his life, he decided to do an entrance with us. Now, his life is getting better. Tom Jai Insurance, no matter who you are, we've got your back.